In a major political development in Assam, the electoral authorities have cancelled the nomination of two-time sitting member of parliament and Gana Suraksha Party leader Napal Kumar Sarania. This decision comes after the Guwahati High Court upheld an order dismissing his status as a scheduled tribe member. Kokrajhar is one of the two parliamentary constituencies in Assam reserved for scheduled tribes. Napal Kumar Sarania had on Friday filed his nomination from Kokrajhar. A single judge bench of Justice S.K. Meti on April 18 dismissed his petition and declared him ineligible to contest from any constituency reserved for STs.
Namaskar. সমূহ আমাৰ উভয়ংশী সমৰ্থক তথা অগ্ৰসংখ্যা সমিতি জিএছপিকে আদি কৰি বিভিন্ন জাতীয় দলগত সন্মানীয় সদস্যসকল লগতে আমাৰ কোকৰাঝাৰ ভোটাৰ ৰাইজ ইতিমধ্যে আপোনালোকে গমে পাইছে যে আজি 11টা বজাত আমাৰ যি নমিনেশ্যন ছাবমিশ্যন আছিল সেইটো কেনচেল কৰা হৈছে। এইটোত আপোনালোকৰ লগতে আমি আপোনালোকৰ দুখৰ একেলগে আমি সমভাগী। যেহেতু আমাৰ অলৰেডি সিদ্ধান্ত হৈ আছে, অলৰেডি আমাৰ দুজন কেণ্ডিডেট বিনিতা ডেকা আৰু ঘনশ্যাম দাস ডাঙৰীয়া আছে, অহাকালিলৈকে উজ্জ্বল আছে। আমি এতিয়াও চেষ্টা কৰি আছোঁ যাতে এই অৰ্ডাৰটো এগেইনষ্টে চেলেঞ্জ কৰাৰ কাৰণে। গতিকে কালিলৈ কিবা কাৰণত একো ৰিজাল্ট নাহিলেও আমাৰ নিশ্চিতভাৱে এজন কেণ্ডিডেট থাকিব। সেইকাৰণে আপোনালোকে কালিলৈকে অপেক্ষা কৰক আৰু নিজৰ নিজৰ যিখিনি দায়িত্ব সেইখিনি পালন কৰক। কাৰণ এইখিনি সময়ত আমি কোকৰাঝাৰ ভোটাৰ ৰাইজৰ লগত আমি থিয় হোৱাটো জৰুৰী। আপোনালোকে জানে যে আমাৰ বিৰোধীবিলাকে ষড়যন্ত্ৰৰ যিমানেই নকৰক কেলে আমি কোনো কাৰণতে হাৰ নামানো। আমি যাতে নিজৰ সিদ্ধান্ত অটল থাকোঁ। আপোনালোকৰ লগত মই আগতেও আছিলোঁ, আজিও আছোঁ, ভৱিষ্যতেও আছোঁ। আপোনালোকে নিশ্চিত থাকক যে কোকৰাঝাৰত আমি বিজয়ী হ'বই লাগিব, এনেই হাওঁ। তাৰ কাৰণে আপোনালোকে ৰেডি থাকক আৰু নিজৰ নিজৰ যিখিনি দায়িত্ব সেইখিনি ভালভাৱে পালন কৰক।
Sarania had challenged the order of the state-level scrutiny committee on January 12, stating that he did not belong to any ST Plains category. He challenged the decision by the state's Department of Tribal Affairs Plains that passed on an order on January 20 cancelling his ST certificate issued on October 17, 2011. The MB, a former leader of the United Liberation Front of Assam, had claimed he belonged to the Kachari community. He is also the founder of the Gana Suraksha Party, which is a partner of the United People's Party Liberal and the Bharatiya Janata Party in the government of the Bodoland Territorial Council.
Completed. We have 15 validly nominated candidates now, and by tomorrow 3 p.m. Till tomorrow 3 p.m. the candidates who are willing to withdraw their nomination can withdraw their nomination. 3 p.m. tomorrow, form number 7A, that is a contesting candidate list, will be prepared, and we have called the meeting of all the contesting candidates 3 p.m. tomorrow. Honorable General Observer had called the meeting. All the honorable observers, General Observer, Police Observer and Expenditure Observers are here, and they are visiting the constituency. Our polling personnel randomization, polling personnel training, our strong room, EVM randomization, EVM preparation, all are going in full swing. So we are fully prepared to conduct the election in a free and fair manner. And since the active campaign will begin tomorrow, so we are strictly monitoring the use of money, muscle, violation of MCC and misinformation, and urge all the candidates, all the parties to also keep a vigil, report and report us if there is any such thing happening. And we are committed towards the cause of free, fair and transparent election.
So of the 16th nomination, 15 is released.
Yes.
With the one.
Sri Napal Kumar Sarania nomination is rejected by the returning officer. So, and the speaking order has been duly passed.